Hey there! Welcome back to FluentBiz AI, where we simplify business English, freelancing, and AI tools to help you thrive globally. Think AI is just for tech giants? Think again. In this video, I'll show you how small businesses are using AI right now to automate tasks, increase revenue, and stay ahead of the competition, without spending millions. And I'll give you practical tools you can start using today, even if you're just starting out. So, if you're ready to work smarter, let's dive in. Small businesses today are thriving in a competitive landscape, leveraging AI tools to streamline their operations and enhance productivity. From marketing agencies to e-commerce stores, these small teams are finding innovative ways to utilize AI technologies creatively and cost-effectively. By adopting these resources, they can automate tasks, improve customer interactions, and ultimately drive revenue growth without the need for extensive budgets. The shift is evident as we witness the emergence of successful enterprises that prioritize smart workflows and strategic use of artificial intelligence, demonstrating that size doesn't determine capability in the modern marketplace. But what does this look like in your daily routine? Imagine waking up, checking your email, and finding that client inquiries have been sorted and prioritized for you by an AI tool. With these innovations, you can focus more on creative problem solving while the mundane tasks are handled efficiently and seamlessly. This shift allows you to become more strategic in your decision-making, enhancing not only your productivity but also your overall quality of work. Let's see how these changes can transform your business landscape, making it easier to adapt and innovate when facing challenges. But how can you ensure you're making the right choices when integrating AI into your business processes? Start by identifying your specific pain points. Whether it's managing social media or generating reports, recognizing where you need the most help can provide clarity. Next, research which tools align best with your needs. Diving into user reviews and case studies will help you make informed decisions. Finally, don't shy away from trial and error. Experimenting with different tools is part of the journey towards discovering the perfect fit for your organization's workflow. Embrace the learning curve, and soon, you'll harness AI to not only meet but exceed your business goals. As you navigate these new tools, remember that the integration of AI is not just a trend but a transformative journey that can redefine the way you approach work. Stay curious and keep experimenting. Your adaptability will be crucial as you embrace these advancements to enhance efficiency and reshape your business outcomes. Ultimately, the goal is to not only survive but thrive in this ever-evolving landscape. Keep pushing the boundaries, utilizing AI not just as a tool but as a partner in your journey toward success. This way, you'll secure a bright future for your business in the age of AI. Imagine being able to generate personalized marketing emails in seconds, rather than spending hours drafting the perfect message. With AI tools like ChatGPT, this is a reality. These technologies learn from your previous communications, adapting to your unique style and preferences. It's not just about speed, but also about crafting messages that resonate with your audience, enhancing engagement and connection. This revolutionizes how you interact with clients, allowing you to focus on building relationships rather than getting lost in the details. Streamlining these processes means more time to innovate and grow your business. By integrating AI, you'll discover a newfound freedom to explore creative avenues, all while ensuring that your operational efficiency remains intact. Imagine harnessing data-driven insights to inform your marketing strategies or deploying chatbots that engage customers around the clock, enhancing their experience. These capabilities expand your reach and deepen your connection with clients, turning casual interactions into lasting relationships. The true power lies in your ability to merge human insight with AI's analytical strength, creating a rich tapestry of opportunities that can propel your business forward. Remember, the journey towards AI integration is not just about tools. It's about fostering a culture of innovation where every team member feels empowered to contribute ideas and adapt to new solutions. As you embrace AI, maintain a focus on collaboration and creativity, positioning your business at the forefront of this technological revolution. The possibilities are limitless, and with each step taken, you're not just adapting to change. You're leading the charge into a brighter, more productive future. This strategic partnership with AI will enable you to elevate your business, ensuring you remain competitive and relevant in ever-changing markets. The future is bright, and it's time to seize the opportunities that AI presents. Imagine being able to track customer behaviors and preferences effortlessly. AI tools can analyze data patterns, giving you insights into what your customers truly desire, enabling you to tailor products and services to their needs. This level of personalization enhances customer loyalty, making them feel valued and understood. By bridging the gap between technology and human interaction, your business can cultivate a more meaningful relationship with your audience, driving sustained growth and satisfaction. By embracing AI as your ally, you not only future-proof your business but also revolutionize every aspect of your operations. Stay agile, explore new solutions, and dare to think differently. The age of AI is here, and with it comes an unprecedented opportunity to elevate your business to new heights. Thanks to no-code tools and platforms, even a solo freelancer or a three-person business can harness its power. Let's look at how real small businesses are quietly dominating their space using AI. Checkmark local marketing agencies. Use tools like ChatGPT and Jasper to write ad copy, blogs, and emails in minutes, cutting costs and increasing content output. Checkmark e-commerce stores. Leverage Midjourney or Ideogram AI to create product images and social media visuals, without hiring designers. Checkmark freelancers and coaches. Automate client onboarding with Zapier and Notion AI, plus use TLDV to summarize client calls instantly. Checkmark virtual assistants and admins. Use Claude or Perplexity AI to handle research, email replies, and calendar management, making one person as productive as 5. Here are 5 powerful AI tools you can start using right now. Many of them are free or budget-friendly. 1. ChatGPT or Claude.ai, for writing, research, and brainstorming. 2. Tome or Gamma, instantly create business presentations. 3. Durable.co, build an AI-powered website in under 30 seconds. 4. Mixo.io, launch your own startup landing page with AI. 5. Pictory or InVideo, turn scripts into full videos for YouTube, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Combine these tools into a mini AI stack to automate entire workflows, from marketing to customer service. Not sure where to begin? Here's a simple 3-step path. 1. Pick one problem to solve. Maybe it's writing emails, generating leads, or managing time. 2. Choose an AI tool designed for that task. 3. Test it for 7 days. Measure how much time or money it saves you. Start small, scale fast. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible with AI in small businesses, hit that thumbs up like button, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly tools, tips, and strategies to grow your career with AI. Drop a comment below. What task do you want to automate first with AI? Let's build smarter together. Until next time, keep learning, keep building. This is FluentBiz AI.